Welcome everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can implement workflow triggers for Facebook and Google reviews. Yes, it is now possible to automate even more when it comes to reputation management. This review received trigger is contactless, which means there is no contact attached to a particular review. You can also set up filters within the actions to distinguish is it coming from Google or Facebook, and it can also detect automatically spam reviews. You can also put in a filter that filters by star rating reviews from 1 to 5. Also, you could add webhooks, which comes in really handy if you get a negative or critical review, that then somebody in your Slack channel gets notified and then reaches out to the customer directly. So let's get this set up. First, click on automation on the left, select workflows at the top, click create new workflow top right hand corner, start from scratch, rename your workflow at the top, click save top right corner just in case, and start looking for the trigger. Here you can type in review and you can see the first event showing up, new review received. Select that. Then you can also rename the trigger name. For example, let's say Facebook page. Right here, you can add filters. So the first one, hey, is this review a spam? And according to that, you can then set up certain action steps. So let's select that to just show you what it looks like. Here you can select is, let's say it is, then you can add further filters. Let's say the review source is Facebook, for example, right? So if there is a review coming in that is spam on our Facebook page, let's rename that to review spam. Let's hit save. And then from here, you can trigger certain actions. Now let's go back to the trigger. Let's remove that. Let's get back to the filters. Now you can say, hey, is the review rating greater than 4, for example, right? Add new filter. Let's say the review source is again Facebook or Google. You can select either or, let's say Facebook for now. And then you can also again filter for is this spam. So you can say is review spam, is not spam. So basically, hey, we're filtering for any review that is above 4 stars, that is on our Facebook page, and that is not a spam review. Okay, so that is our trigger right now. Facebook page greater than 4, not spam, could be the name of the trigger. Hit save. And then from here, you could send an email. So click add action, type email, select email. And then from here, you could send a personalized email going, oh, thank you very much. We really enjoy that you enjoy our product and so on and so forth. In the contrary, you could also, if the trigger here is, let's say, less than 4 stars or 3 stars, it is on Facebook, it's not a spam, then you also could reach out, send an email and ask for more in-depth feedback, maybe even schedule a call, and then also trigger the webhook. Just type web and then under actions, you would place the webhook here and then notify somebody inside of your Slack channel, for example, if there's a dedicated person that would take care of negative reviews. But let's go back to our trigger. So we have set the review source to Facebook. It's not spam and the review rating is greater than 4, right? Then we want to set a condition. So you type if else, that's the condition, right? Don't look for condition, it is called if else. Then you go to the first branch, click the drop down menu, new review received. Review rating is greater than or equals 4. You put in the value, right? So let's rename the branch equal or greater than 4. Okay. And if review spam is no, and review source, remember we do Facebook in this instance. Okay. So that's the first branch. It filters through that. If the review rating is greater or equal to 4, it's not a spam review and it comes from Facebook. Then we want to add the second branch, which is then the contrary. Hey, it's below 4. Select review received, rating less than 4. Okay, and then the same thing here, is review spam, is not spam, and then also select Facebook. Review source is Facebook. Then you want to hit save, and ta-da, here you have your conditions. Then right here, hey, the review is greater than 4. We just want to send a thank you email, for example, right? Thank you email. And then if it's below 4, we want to notify our staff. We're going to probably put in a webhook that goes to Slack. And from there, we want to then send a notification. And that's it. All right. We also maybe want to send an email if you want to and encourage them to book a call to have a chat, things like that. Don't forget to hit save top right corner. And that's it already. This is how you use the new trigger review received. I hope you like this new feature, which will help you drastically to reduce manual work and to be responsive a lot faster and to tailor replies automated and based on the content the reviewer has given to you. All right. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.